Safety means to me is keeping myself and others free from harm and danger.
Safety is teamwork, looking out for each other.
Safety means providing a secure and safe environment at workplace so that employees should feel motivated while coming to work.
Safety means awareness. Also, it's an obligation and responsibility which we have towards each other to have safe work culture everywhere.
Safety means understanding, a promise, a commitment that we make towards each other.
Safety is caring for yourself and your periphery while performing a task successfully and by way of following the ground rules of safety.